Hello everyone, welcome to my session on coding decoding part 2. కోడింగ్ డీకోడింగ్ లో మనం ఫస్ట్ చేసిందంటే ఇంక్రీసింగ్ ఆర్డర్, డిక్రీసింగ్ ఆర్డర్, బ్రేక్ ద వర్డ్, రివర్స్ ద వర్డ్, ఇంక్రీసింగ్ ఆర్ డిక్రీసింగ్ -1 + 2 -3 + 3 ఆర్ ఎక్సెట్రా ఎక్సెట్రా. అంటే మనకి నెంబర్ సిరీస్లో ఏవైతే అప్లికేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయో వాటిని కూడా అప్లై చేసాం. బోత్ నెంబర్ సిరీస్ అండ్ లెటర్ సిరీస్ ఆల్సో. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ థరో విత్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ లెటర్స్ ప్లేస్ వాల్యూ, coding decoding concept is very simple. Otherwise it is little difficult. Okay, in this class I'm going to explain the combination of letter and number coding. Here also same, total 26 alphabet, 1 to 26, and one extra point is required, that is reverse order also. అంటే ఏంటి, the first letter is A here. Reverse order first letter ఏంటవుతుంది, that is Z or not. So in the reverse order, first letter is Z, second letter is Y, third letter is X, fourth letter is W, etc. One more point, the sum of A and E Z place value, that is equal to 27. The sum of B and Y's place value, that is equal to 27. If you take any pair AZ, BY, CX, DW, EV, FU, GT, HS, if you take any pair, the sum of place values is equal to 27. Okay, keep in your mind. So based on this logic, you will solve all the questions, and it is very easy compared to the coding decoding concept one. Okay, let's move to the first question. Right. What is the first question? If Delhi is coded as 73541, Kolkata is coded as 825896662, then what will be the calicate? ఎప్పుడైనా సరే 2 words ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ద కామన్ లెటర్ ఏదైనా ఉందో చెక్ చేయండి. ఢిల్లీ అండ్ కల్కత్తా, వాట్ ఈస్ ద కామన్ లెటర్? ఎల్. And what is the code for L? That is equal to 5. What is the code for L? That is equal to 5. Okay. And what is the code for L in the Kolkata? That is also equal to 5 or not. And D for 7, E for 3, L for 5, H for 4, and I for 1. In the same way, C for 8, A for 2, L for 5, C for 8. Again, if you observe, C, that is equal to 8 only. Okay, and next T and T. Here T and T, that is equal to 6 and 6. And our letter same as తీసుకోండి. Now what is the C? That is equal to 8. So these two options cancel. And if you observe the third option and fourth option, last letter is different. What is the A? A for 2. Okay, here what we require T. What is the code for T? That is equal to 6. So this option is also wrong. What is the answer? Option C is the correct answer. Okay, no need to find each and every letters code. When if none of these option is not exist, ఇక్కడ నన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఆప్షన్ ఉంది అంటే మాత్రం ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ లెటర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. లేదనుకోండి, జస్ట్ అబ్జర్వ్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ ఈజ్ 8, సో స్ట్రైక్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ 2 options. Last letter is 6, strike off the fourth option also. So what is the answer? Option C is the correct answer. Next question. If Rose is coded as 6821 and chair, is there any common letter? No. And here, so what happened? Here same letters exist or not? Here P is there. P is not exist in Rose or chair. Then what happened? Okay. And so the difference between previous case and this case, in the previous case C and C, that is 8 and 8. The common letter in Delhi and Kolkata, that is equal to L, and L is coded as 5. But here, there is no common letter. There is no common letter. And here, we required preach, P also. Here, R is there, and E is there, A is there, C is there, H is also there. So, what is the code for P? That is important. What is the code for P? So, how to find this one? That is very, very important. Here, C is equal to 7. C is equal to 7. And here, what is the C? Here, C. And what is the H? H is equal to 3. But we require, yes, preach is also called as 961473. What we require? We require S. S is there. And what is the E? E is there. A, S, or in the rows, C in the preach and chair, and H chair and preach. Here, in the chair, H is common. In the preach, H is common, and that is equal to 3, and here 3. So it's a very simple. What is the last letter? And what is the first letter? All are common. And what is the second letter? That is E. Here, E is coded as 1. E is coded as 1. Here, E is coded as 1, right? And what is the answer for this one? Here, the second letter must be 1. So this is first option is wrong. And come to the fourth letter. Why? Because in the second letter, 4 and 4 is there. Come to the fourth letter, 6, 7, and 4. If you find the fourth letter in search, you will get the answer. What is the R? R is equal to 6. Of these 4 letters, here 6, 7, 4. So what we required, that is equal to 6 or not. So strike off these two options. What is the answer? Option B is the correct answer. Yeah, clearly mentioned rows is 6, 8, 2, 1. Chair is 7, 3, 4, 5, 6. Preach is 9, 6, 1, 4, 70. We require the search. First letter and last letter, that is a common. Okay, just observe carefully here. Here the first letter and the last letter. That is the common. So what happened? You need to check the other letters. No need to go for the first one also. Just check the fourth letter. What happened? 1, 6, 7, 4. 4 different answers are there. If you get the fourth letter code, you will get the answer. What is the R? That is equal to 6. Only second option satisfies the condition. The remaining all not satisfy the condition. So what is the answer? Answer is option B. Next, go to the next one. Here, if column is could be given in the code number 43. How many letters are there in column? That is equal to 5 letters, coded as 43. What we required, what is the code for Santa Cruz? That is very, very important. See, here 5 to 2, 5 letters, code is 2-digit number. So what happened? Here you need to remember each and every letter's place value. Here, column P, A, L, A, M. Here P, A, L, A, M. Okay. Right. What is the P? 16th, A, 1, L, 12, A, 1, M, that is equal to 13. Okay. And what is the sum of these numbers? 16 plus 1 plus 12 plus 1 plus 13, 13 plus 13, 26, 27, 27 plus 16, that is equal to 43. That means sum of the place values of column is equal to 43. What we required? Santa Cruz. What is the S? S is equal to 20, T equal to 1, N equal to 14, sorry, S equal to 19. Okay, just a moment, all of you. right? S stands for 19, A for 1, N for 14, T for 20, A for 1, and C for 3, R for 18, U for 21, and Z for 26. The sum of all the numbers. Okay, so how to find this one? 19 plus 1, 20. Okay, 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus here 21 plus 26. That is equal to 47. 40 plus 47, 87. 87 plus 3, 90. 90 plus 18, 108. 108 plus 1, they got 109. Now, Palam is coded as 43. Palam is coded as 43. Santa Cruz is coded as Palam 5-letter word. Yet that is equal to 43. Palam is 5 letters word and that is equal to 43. So what happened? Just to think out of the box. Now, what is the place value of P? That is equal to 16. What is the place value of A? That is equal to 1. What is the place value of L? That is equal to 12. What is the place value of A? 1. What is the place value of M? That is equal to 13. Now, what is the sum? 16 plus 1, 17, 29, 30, and 43. That means sum of the place value is your answer. Now, what we required? Santa Cruz. What is the S? Yes, that is equal to 19. What is the A? That is equal to 1. What is the N? 14. What is the T? That is equal to 20. What is the A? 1. What is the C? That is equal to 3. What is the R? That is 18. What is the U? That is equal to 21. What is the Z? That is equal to 26. Just to add. How to add? If you observe, 19 plus 1 is equal to 20. First, you take a rounded number. 20 plus 20, 40. And next, 26 plus 14. That is equal to 40. 40 plus 40, 80. Okay. Now, 80 plus 21. 80 plus 21. 101. 101 plus 2. 103. 103 plus 101 plus 102. 102 plus 18. 120. 120 plus 3. 123. So, what is the answer? Option D is the correct answer. That's it. What is the answer? Sum of the place values of each and every letter. That is the answer. Right? Now, go to the next one. In a certain code language, 35796 is equal to. Here, 3 becomes to 4. That means plus 1. 5 becomes to 4. Minus 1. 7 becomes to 8. Plus 1. 9 becomes to 8. Minus 1. 6 becomes to 7. That is plus 7. Plus 1. Right? It's a very simple one. So plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1. Okay. What we required? First one and last one. If you observe, in which case all the letters are different? No. Suppose if you take the 7th one, 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5. So this one is not a correct one. And what is the third one? 8 plus 1, 9. So this is not a correct one. And what is the next one? 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. So option B is the correct one and option C is the wrong. It's a very simple one. Okay. Plus 1, minus 1 series digits. Now go to the next case. If go is equal to 32, SHE is equal to 49, then sum is equal to. Now, suppose G, what is the G? That is equal to 7. What is the G? That is equal to 7. And what is the O? That is equal to 15. Now 7 plus 15 is equal to 22. But here that is equal to 32. Suppose let us consider 22 plus 10 is equal to 32. And what about SHE? SHE. What is the S? That is equal to 19. What is the H? That is equal to 8. And what is the E? That is equal to 5. What is the sum? 27, 32, here 49, 32 plus 10. What about 42? So that logic is failed. Okay, suppose what is the previous case? Sum of the place values. But what about this case? Suppose if you take place value, even though here that logic is not satisfied. Now, what is the next case? See, all of you look at the screen. So this logic is failed. Now, what about the next logic? If G is a 7th letter from your left hand side, what is the position from the right hand side? Introduction lo mee cheppanu meeku. Okay, so how to calculate? Just 27 minus 7, that is equal to 20. What is the O? O is the 15th letter from your left hand side. What is the right hand side? 27 minus 15, that is equal to 12. What is the sum? That is equal to 32. In the same way, S is a 19th letter from your left hand side. What is the right hand side? 27 minus 19, that is equal to 8. And H is the 8th letter from your left hand side. What is the from your right hand side? 27 minus 8, that is equal to 19. E is the 5th letter from your left hand side. What is the right hand side? 27 minus 5, that is equal to 22. If you add these numbers, 22 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 19, 49. Now what we required? We required sum. We required sum. S is 19th letter from your left hand side. What is the from your right hand side? That is equal to 8. And O is 15th letter from your left hand side. What is the right hand side? That is equal to 12. M is the 15th letter from your left hand side. What is the right hand side? That is equal to 14. And E is the 5th letter from your right hand side. Left hand side. What is the right hand side? That is equal to 22. Now, what is the sum? 8, 20, 36, 38, and 58. Option B is the correct answer. Here, the sum of the place values from your right hand side. Okay, that is the logic behind this question. Next, go to the next one. At is equal to 20, bat is equal to 40, cat is equal to how much? Here, what is the place value of A? That is 1. What is the place value of T? That is equal to 20. 1 into 20 is equal to 20. Now you will check whether this logic is satisfied in the bat or not. B for 1, C for 1, B for 2, C for 1, and T for 20. 2 into 1 into 20, 40. So what is the cat? This is 3, A and 20. What is the product? 3 into 1 into 20, 60. Option C is the correct answer. Next, if reason is coded as 5, believed is coded as 7, then what is the code number for government? In this simple question, here how many letters are there in the word reason? That is equal to 6. Here coded as 1. That is nothing but 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5. What is the believed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 1 is equal to 8 minus 1, that is equal to 7. What we require? Number of letters minus 1. What is the number of letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here, what is the answer? 10 minus 1, that is equal to 9. Option C is the correct answer. Next, if Luxor is coded as 30, and what is the next one? Then GUILDS is coded as. See, what is the place value of L? That is equal to 12. What is the place value of U? 21. What is the place value of X? 24. What is the place value of O? 15. What is the place value of R? That is equal to 18. Now, what is the sum of numbers? 12, 33, 53, 57, 67, 72, and 90. But here 30. How to get 30 from 90? Just divided by 3, that is equal to 30 or not. Now, what is the girl? G for 7, U 21, I 9, L 12, D 4, S 19. What is the sum? 21 plus 19, 40, 47, 47 plus 9, 51, 51 plus 12, 63, plus 7 plus 4, 69. Is it correct? Once again, 7, 28, 37, 47, 49, 53, 62, and this is equal to 72. 72 by 3. So what happened? That is equal to 24. Option D is the correct answer. That is sum of the place values by 3. Okay. Here, Luxor, sum of the place value 90 by 3. That is equal to 30. What is the sum of the place value of GUILDS? That is 72 by 3. That is equal to 24. Next, grape 4 group. First, you check, is there any common letter in these two words? R. What is the R? This is 7, and here also 7. That's enough. It's very simple. Now, what is the code for G? That is equal to 2. And what is the last for P? What is the P for? That is equal to 5. So, strike off the remaining options. Now, only 2 options are left. In these 2 options, in the third letter, that is the different. Okay, what is the third? That is A. What is the code for, sorry, what is the O? What is the O? O is equal to 6. Okay, so in these 2 options, here, in this case, 6 is there, and option E, 8 is there. So this is not a correct. What is the answer? Option C is the correct answer. Okay, in the letter and the number series, the very important point, you need to remember place values. Addition or subtraction, whatever it is. Suppose this type of is a very simple. Okay, ఏం చేస్తారు? ఆ లెటర్ కోడ్ ఏదైతుందో డైరెక్ట్ గా వేసడమే, అంత మించి ఇంకేమీ ఉండదు. సో క్లరికల్ ఫిలిమ్స్ కాబట్టి ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. అదే మెయిన్స్ అయిందనుకోండి, ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉండవు. నెక్స్ట్, if good is equal to 123, better is equal to 210, and what is the best? So place values: G 7, O 15, O 15, D 4, and what is the sum? That is equal to 15, 30, 37, 41. Okay, better. This is 2 and this is 5. T is 20, T is 20, E equal to 5, and R is equal to 18. What is the sum? 40, 40 plus 20, 60, 60 plus 10, that is equal to 70. If you observe, this is 43, this is 123, this is 70, this is 210. What happened? Sum of the place values into 3 or not. What we required? We required best, right? What is the B? That is 2, this is 5, this is the 19, and this is 20. 20, 39, 39 plus 5, that equal 44 plus 2, that equal 46 into 3. Okay, so 120, 138, option B is the correct answer. So place value, sum of place values into 3. Next, see, if 2 words are given, just to compare. Now before that, R is the common. In the R, 9 is there, so that is okay. mammoth. In this case, no need to check first one and last one. Why? Because common. So suppose if you take the second letter, what is the second letter? A. What is the A? A stands for 3. Okay. So these two options are eliminated. Only 3 options left. Now, in these 3 options, here 6, 6 and 4. Here, what is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Fifth letter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the O? O stands for 6. So 6 is there, 6 is there. So this is also not a correct. And last one, T. What is the T? That is equal to 8. This is also not a correct. So what is the answer? Option A is the correct answer. Next, go to the next one. Reverse. 1. Here also, what is the common? That is equal to 6. No. 3. There is no common. Just as it is. 2 stands for A. And 3 stands for L. And what is the U? What is the U? Okay. What is the 5? 5 is equal to G. And what is the 4? That is equal to U. And what is the 9? That is equal to T. So what is the answer? ALGUT. ALGUT. Option C is the correct answer. Very, very, very simple question. If you observe, M, 13th letter, A, first letter, D, fourth letter, or 18th letter, A, first letter, and S, 19th letter. What we require? B is a second letter. And next, what is the O? Here, only one option is satisfied. The remaining all are not satisfied, right? Here, just to take a place values of each and every word. Next, promotion. How is demotion? What is the common? OTION. Okay, what is the common? OTION. What is the first 3? Yeah, promotion. Another letter is also the most probably. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 only. I think another letter is also there. Motion. And motion, this stands for 89. And what is the next one? PRO. That is equal to QSP. P, next letter of P is Q. Next letter of R is S. Next letter of O is P. And what is the D? D next letter, that is equal to F. E. E next letter, that is equal to F. So EF. And I think another M is also there. DEMMOTION. Then what happened? The next letter of D is E. Next letter of E is F. Next letter of M is N. So what is the answer? EFN 89, which is required answer. Next, if 5-letter word is there, 2-digit number, then what happened? Obviously place values. What is the H? This is the 8, O, 15, T, 20, E, 5, L, 12. So 20 plus 20, 40 plus 20, that is equal to 60. How to get this one? 60 minus 5. Let us check. Here, bore minus 5 is exist or not. So this is equal to 55. B, 2, 15, 18, and 5. 20, 20 plus 20, that is equal to 40. So minus 5 is equal to 35. 35 is there. See, in some cases, 60 minus 5 is equal to 55. Here, if 35 option is not exist, then what is the other option? 40 minus 4 is equal to 36. How to get 4? In the hotel, 5 letters are there. The sum of the place values minus 5, they're equal to 55. And sum of the place value of both, that is equal to 40. 40 minus 4 equal to 36. It's maybe possible either 35 or 36. But here 36 is not there. Only 35 is there. So what is the answer? Answer is equal to 35. Next. 2, 3, 4, 9, 6 equal to CYSTE, 1, 5, 7, 8 equal to BURP. Then what is the 8? That is equal to P. Okay. And what is the last? 7. What is the 7? 7 equal to R. So skip these two values. And next, what is the second one? That equal to 5. What is the 5? That is equal to U. So cancel this one. And come to this case, only fourth letter. What is the fourth? 6. What is the 6? That is equal to E. So this is also wrong. What is the answer? PUYER is a correct answer. If D equal to 5, what is the place value of D? That is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. And come to this case, cover. So 3 plus 1, that is 4. 4 plus 1, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 22 plus 1, 23. 5 plus 1, 6. R plus 1, R and 18. 18 plus 1, that is equal to 19. 18 plus 1, that is equal to 19. Just a moment. Right. 19. Now, what is the sum? This is 20, 43, 49, 58, 68. But here 63 is there. Okay, this is C plus 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 15 plus 1, 16. 20 plus 1, 23. 5 plus 1, 6. 18 plus 1, 19. So what is the sum? This is equal to 20, 43, 49, 49 plus 19, 58, 68. But here 68 is not there. If D is equal to 4 and next cover is equal to 63, what happened? D equal to 4 is clearly mentioned. Fourth letter is D. It's a very simple. What is the C? That is 3. What is the O? That is 15. V 22. E 5 R. This is R. That is equal to 18. Okay. 18 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 20, 60. 60 plus 3, 63. What we require? Basis. If you know the place values, no need to write down all these things. Okay. Now, this is 2, 1. Next, 19, 9, 19. What is the sum? This is 20. 20 plus 21, 41. 41 plus 9, 50. Option D is the correct answer. If A is called as 26, it's clearly mentioned just a reverse order. What is the Z? That is equal to 1 or not. Then what is the rows? Reverse order. R 18. What is the reverse order? That is equal to 9. Just write down 9. Gets cancelled. And what is the E? 5. What is the phi? That is equal to 22. So what happened? 22, 22 here gets cancelled. Now, here only 4 letters. Okay, this is equal to 22. And what is the O? 15. So what happened? That is equal to 12. 9, 12, 9, 12. And what is the S? S is equal to 19. 19, that is equal to 8. Okay, so 9, 12, 8, 22. Option E is the correct answer. It's a very simple compared to coding decoding. But you need to know the every letter's place value. C, bad is 8. This is 2, 1, 4. And what is the bold? They got 2. This is 15. This is the 12 and 4. 17, 29 and 33. That is equal to 14, 40. Then what happened? It's a very simple if you observe carefully. What is 2 into 1 into 4? That equal to 8. And what about this one? 12 into 4, 48. 48 into 3, 144 into 10, 1440. So cat is a very simple 3 into 1 into 20, that is equal to 60. Option C is the correct answer. Okay, here the product of place values of that word. Next, lux is 57. What is the lux? L is 12. What is the U? That is 21. What is the X? That is equal to 24. What is the sum? 24 plus 21, 45 plus 12, 57. And Hammam also, suppose if you take this is 9, 8, 1, 13, 1, 13. So 10, 26, 36. What we required? Pairs. What is the P? That is equal to 16 and 5, 1, 18, 19. 19 plus 1, 20. 20 plus 18, 38. 38 plus 48 plus 54 plus 5, 59. Option C is the correct answer. And next, lion is coded as 46. Tiger is coded as 54. What will the code for leopard? L. This is a 12. I. That is equal to 9. O. 15. N. 14. So 12, 21. 21 plus 19, that is equal to 40. Here 46 is there. Okay, now what is the next one? Tiger is coded as 54. Then what is the leopard? That is the question. Right? So what is the answer? If lion is coded as 46, tiger, and this is equal to T20, I9, this is 7, 5, and 18. What is the sum? 20, 38, 38, 47, 47 plus 7, 54, plus 5. That is, in this case, this is equal to 59. In this case, 12, 21, 21 plus this is equal to 29. This is equal to 50. Is there any link? Here, how many letters are there? 4. Here, how many letters are there? 5. That's it. And what we require? LEO, PA, RD. What is the L? 12. What is the E? 5. What is the O? 15. What is the P? 16. What is the A? 1. A or 18. And D, this is equal to 4. What is the sum? This is equal to 20. And 18 plus 20, 30, 50. 50 plus 20, 70. 71. Option is there. But how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just subtract 7 from this one. So what is the answer? 64, which is required answer. Is it clear? This is about the letter and number coding. Next, advanced level of coding decoding we will discuss in the coding decoding third video. Thank you, one and all.